Hey everyone, Joey right here, and welcome back to the Racing Line TV. And before we're gonna share to you this new segment that we have here for you, I'm gonna ask you first that if you are looking for an auto repair shop, what are the qualities that it has to possess for you to be able to bring your car there for repair or for a periodic maintenance? For me, I think I must make sure if they do service the brand or the model that I have. Second is that I also make sure that they have the right equipment, the tools, and the right mechanics knows this type of brand. So today I'm gonna share to you an auto repair shop that does all of those. Plus they have this icing on the cake, which is best in customer service and make sure to take care of the well-being of the drivers or the owners who brings the vehicle and have it repaired in their shop. So let's head now to AutoPit and see what's in store for you.
This segment is presented to you by This is AutoPit, an auto shop like no other, where not only the vehicles are being serviced, but the drivers and the owners as well, who they think deserve the proper pampering while waiting for their vehicles being serviced. In this stressful time, we need to do 2 or 3 things at the same time, especially in this pandemic, where we are very limited in doing our stuff, where to go, and how to go about it. Having your vehicles repaired or serviced for a preventive maintenance is not an exception. They needed to be maintained properly by expert mechanics who simply care about its condition and of course for it to last longer and won't leave you behind on the road. Here at AutoPit, they do exactly that, giving your vehicle the utmost attention and care. These expert mechanics are very well trained to maintain and repair most of vehicle brands and models. Equipped with 7 lifters, wheel alignment, wheel balancing, servicing all types of repairs and maintenance, including auto air condition. Spare parts? This is an AISIN center. AISIN is one of the top leading Japanese brands that develops and produces components and systems for the automotive industry. AISIN is a Fortune Global 500 and a member of Toyota Group of Companies. AISIN is best known for its steering and suspension system, clutch and brake system, engine oil, and lubricants. But what I like the most here at AutoPit is that it also pampers you, the driver or the owner of the vehicle. It does really take time to have your vehicle repaired or whatever it's needed to be done. You get to do something else while waiting. First, you can have a haircut or get your hair fixed. They have a salon that does the job. You can also get a massage while waiting and have a brew, which is unlimited by the way. And if that is not enough, they have a vending machine outside that might suit your heart's content. Or you can just do your work there, plug and play your laptop, and you are good to go. The cozy ambient lounge gives you the reason to do whatever you needed to be doing while having your cars repaired with no downtime. And they are open 7 days a week, Monday to Sunday, 8:30 to 7 p.m. in the evening, Monday to Saturday, and on Sundays is up to 6 p.m. So with that time frame, 7 days a week and up to 7 p.m. up to Saturday, which means that they do value your time.
If you're working 6 or 7 days a week, then you still have the time to have your vehicles repaired and get yourself pampered with all of the amenities that they have there. And of course, links on the description below if you want to know more about their shop. So we have more to come for Autopit, the services, the spare parts, and other stuff that they have there in their shop. So we'll see you again next week.
We're always there for our customers. People have expectations for their cars. We believe we can develop better technology and more reliable products by understanding these expectations. We're all connected by cars. Driving, turning, stopping, and providing new value. AISIN is one of the world's leading supplier groups, offering total support for every aspect of automobile manufacturing.